Okay, I wanted to jump on here real quick and show you what I had done today. I had my septic company come out and they swapped out my chlorinator to a more efficient NTS or NFT certified, however they do it in septic world, certified chlorinator, so that it actually uses bleach appropriately to how you use your system. Where I had a manual drip, it was terrible, homemade piece of junk. I'll show you it right here. So anyway, let's take a look at what they did and I'll kind of go through it for you. So this was the old chlorinator that I had. It was down in here as a big PVC pipe, which you saw, and you poured the bleach in and you had to dial it in and it just dripped. So I was either under chlorinating or over chlorinating the system. So now I have this guy. The guy came out. This little swapperoo cost me $360, which I wasn't happy about, but it is more efficient. So it has a little spin knob right here, and it looks just like that. So this holds about 2.5 gallons of bleach, and we're talking dollar store bleach. So if you have a liquid chlorinator, get the cheapest bleach possible. If it says concentrated, thing to note, you want to do 1-to-1. One of these, and then fill this up with water, and then dilute it. So this will hold about 2.5, maybe 3 gallons. But make sure that if it's concentrated bleach, that you are diluting it with a 1-to-1 ratio.